Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing how to register a new employee in ESI, which means how to add a new employee into ESI. How to register new employee in ESI. ESI is created by the Government of India for providing financial protection for the members in case of any untimely health related incident or issue. Any organization whose employee strength is 10 or more and any employee whose monthly salary is less than or equal to 21,000, then the company should get ESI registered for providing ESI benefits to the employees in the organization. In our previous videos, we have seen what are the benefits of ESI in detail, like medical sickness, maternity, disablement, dependent, funeral and unemployment benefits. Any employee joins the company should get registered within 10 days of joining the organization as per the ESI registration rule. And in this video, we'll see the step-by-step process of new employee getting registered with ESI and also the old employees who used to get the benefits in their previous company. Step-by-step process to register new employee in ESI. In this video, we'll be discussing both theoretical as well as practically how to register a new employee in ESI. Let us now see the step-by-step process in theoretically, later we'll go with practical. Firstly, we need to open ESI portal, that is www.esi.in, and click on employer login and enter ESI username and password followed by CAPTCHA code. Close all the extra windows that pop up since they are not important. After logging into the portal, under the category employee, click on the link register or enroll new employee. You can use this every time to add new employee to the ESI scheme so that they can receive all the ESI benefits. The employer or subunit code of the company will be automatically appeared. If the employee already has an ESI account in his or her previous company, then select the option S, followed by entering the employee's insurance number and date of joining or appointment in the present company and click on Continue button. A new window will open Employee Registration Form 1, where we can edit or update the particulars of the following, which are as follows: name, dispensary details, personal details and family details, address details, nominee details and bank details. After filling all the details, confirm the declaration and we need to click on the update button and the process gets completed. That is, registration of new employee who is already having an ESI account with the previous company is been updated in the present company. Now let us see if the employee doesn't have any ESI account in his previous company. If the employee has not registered with ESI in his or her previous organization and new to the company, then choose the option No, followed by entering the registered mobile number of the employee, then validate and click on Continue button. A new window will open Employee Registration Form 1. In this form, all the required details are to be entered with respect to employee, which are as follows: name of the employee, name of the father or husband, date of birth, marital status, gender, present address, permanent address, dispensary IMP location, selection for IP, dispensary IMP location selection for family members, current employee details with date of joining. Under the category Details of Nominee, click on Enter Details here. After clicking, a new window will open where the nominee details like name, relation and address are to be entered and click on the Save button. Under the category Family Particulars of Insured Person, click on Enter Details here. After clicking, a new window will open where the family details like name, date of birth, relationship and address are to be entered. If more family members are to be added, then click on Add button and repeat filling the details again and finally click on Submit button. Under the category Details of Bank Account of Insured Person, click on Enter Details here. After clicking, a new window will open where the IFSC code of the IPS bank account is entered and click on Search button. A new window will open where the bank account number and account type are to be selected and a copy of cancelled check or passbook with employee's signature and stamp to be uploaded and click on Submit button. Now come back to the Registration Form 1 window and select the declaration option, which states that all the details provided are correct. Now finally click on Submit button. This will complete the process of registration or addition of new employee in ESI. So dear guys, now we have seen step-by-step process of registering a new employee in ESI if an employee already has an ESI number and if an employee doesn't have an ESI number. Now let us see how step-by-step process of registration of new employee takes place in ESI. Practically, open Google search and enter ESIC login. You will be following many websites. Click on the first website, that is www.esi.in. You can see the website or the portal of esi.in. Now come to employer login. Click on employer login. A new window will open asking for username, password and CAPTCHA. Now enter the username of the company followed by password and enter CAPTCHA and click login. Now we have entered the employee portal of ESI. Close these windows as we have discussed, which are not necessary as of now. It pops up about the notifications wherein it says that a new registration should take place within 10 days of the date of appointment. And bank account number, mobile number and other details has to be updated immediately. Now we are going to add a new employee or register a new employee. So here we need to see the second option, register or enroll new employee. Click on this link. A new window will open which gives the details about the employer or subunit code. Was the employer ever enrolled a ESI number? Here we have options like whether the employee already has an ESI number or not. Now let us see the example if an employee already having an ESI number. Enter the ESI number, then the date of joining. The date of joining should be within 10 days of joining. Today's date is 12th of February. So the date of joining should be less than 10 days. Let us opt for 3rd of February as date of joining. And click on continue. Now a new window will open showing the details of the employee who is already having an ESI number. So here we can select the details like name, dispensary details, personal details, address details, nominee details, family details and bank details. If there is any changes are required, then we can just select the option and enter the details or change the details as per the requirement of the candidate. Now we have clicked on name and dispensary details. See, here the window has opened wherein we can change the date of appointment or dispensary details, whatever it is, and click on declaration and update if required. In the same way, we can enter all the details whatever is required for editing purpose as per the requirement of the employee. See here, I have opted for bank details changes. Now here a new window will open asking for bank details. Once all the details are submitted, if any changes are required, then click on submit button and successfully the employee addition will be registered. Now let us see if the employee has no ESI number. So we need to choose an option no. Here it will pop up asking that be sure that the employee being registered does not have any insurance number generated earlier, which means the employee doesn't have any ESI number. Click on OK. Now we need to enter the registered mobile number of the employee and then click on validate mobile number. Once the mobile number is validated, you will be popped out with continue. Click on continue button. A new window will be opened which says employee registration form 1, wherein we need to fill all the details of the employee like name, father's name, date of birth, marital status, gender, present address, state, district. Here we need to enter the permanent address. If the permanent address and temporary address are same, then click on copy present address to permanent address, or else you can fill the permanent address details separately. Then we need to select the dispensary or IMP. Now we need to select the dispensary whichever is near to the employee's address. State I have selected Telangana, then comes district I have selected Hyderabad, then comes dispensary, then coming to dispensary or IMP for the family members. If the family members are staying away, we need to select different address as per the location where they are staying. If they are staying in the same address, you can just opt for the same details as we have opted earlier for IP. Here I will be opting the same thing because the family members of the IP are staying together. Telangana is selected as state, then comes district Hyderabad, then comes dispensary. Then coming to current employer particulars. So all the details are already by default it's been filled. The only things what we need to add is the date of appointment. The date of appointment what we had discussed is 3rd of February. Click here and come down. Finally, the details what we need to fill here are details of nominee, family particulars of insured person, account details of the insured person. Let us now fill the details of the nominee. For filling the details of the nominee, click on Enter Details here. A new window will pop out wherein we need to enter the details of the nominee for the insured person. Name of the nominee. Here the employee wants his father to be his nominee. So I entered the nominee's father, whose name is Rajesh. Relationship with nominee is father. So we need to select dependent father. Then comes address. So after entering the address, select the state in which they are staying. Then comes district. Finally, we need to select, is the nominee a family member or not. Yes, he is a father and he is a family member. So we need to opt for yes. Then click on save button. Now the data is saved successfully. Close it. Then comes family particulars of insured person. Click details here. A new window will open wherein we need to enter the family details of the insured person. Father name is Rajesh, date of birth, then relationship with employee, then specify male or female, resident with the employee or not. If you want to add another family member, click on add button wherein we can enter the details of mother, then the date of birth, relationship, female, gender, whether staying with the employee or not, select and click on add button. After clicking on the add button, both the parents are added, dependent father and dependent mother. Then click on submit and close. So we have added the family particulars of insured person. Now finally we need to add the bank details of the insured person. Click on enter details here. Enter the IFSC code, bank IFSC code of the insured person. Click on search button. Here the bank IFSC code will search the bank number and the location. So now we need to select the type of account. As it is an employee, it will be a savings account. We need to enter the account number. Then browse and select the cancel check, upload. Then click on submit button. Once everything is done, it gets successfully uploaded. The details are successfully updated. Then close the window. Now finally click on the declaration option and click on submit button. By this, we have successfully registered the employee in ESI. So dear friends, hopefully you understood both theoretical as well as practically how to register a new employee in ESI. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any queries or questions about the registration of new employee in ESI, please do comment in the comment section. I will be happy enough to answer all your queries. If you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.